Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 35. JEOYEYO, JEOYEYO, which means this is me. Again, the term JEOYEYO is used to say this is me. Jo means me and yeyo means this is. So, JEOYEYO means this is me or it is me. How do you write JEOYEYO in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, Jo, we need to draw first a jiut character followed by an o character. And for the second syllable, ye, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by the ye character itself. And then for the last syllable, yo, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyang followed by the yo character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of the 3 syllables to form the Hangul of the word JEOYEYO. And with that, you've just learned JEOYEYO. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 25 to 34. But don't forget our word for today, which is actually a phrase, JEOYEYO, which means this is me or it is me. Word number 34 is saram, which means person. Word number 33 is Joesonghamnida, which means I'm sorry to disturb you. Word number 32 is kapang, which means bag. Word number 31 is Supplementary, which means please take care of me. Word number 30 is Tobocha, which means see you again. Word number 29 is Itapa, which means see you later. Word number 28 is kanyang, which means just because. Word number 27 is paali, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is chakaman, which means just a second. And the last word for our review, word number 25, Gomawo, which means thank you. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.